That will be the return to yourself, the return to innocence. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, the return to innocence. If you want, then start to laugh. If you must, then start to cry. Be yourself, don't hide. Just believe